Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're at Disney World in the All Stars Resort Hotel, and today I'm going to be showing you what one stuffed animal I got from the store, and then a little bit that I got from a arcade machine. So first, we got the one from the store, a Stitch. It's probably my favorite, if I'm being honest. I'm probably gonna use it as coat tonight. And then we got a bulldog named Cupcake. We got a monkey named Maxwell. A tiger named Tizzy. Not Izzy, Tizzy, for some reason. A lion named Dandy. Hair's all messed up. A duck named Webby. A zebra named Zoe. I don't even know what this thing is. A tusk, whatever this thing is. I'm pretty sure a golden retriever named Brownie. A pig named Weber. Then the final two, Leo, which is a cheetah. And a Dalmatian named Joey. That's all the stuff I got from a card machine in the arcade at Disney World, and what I got at the shop at the All Stars Resort Hotel. And that's it for today's video. Bye.